Your salary isn't keeping you broke. Your mindset is. See, I spoke about scarcity mentality in a couple of videos ago, and I think I want to revisit this because I don't think a lot of people got the message. The message is how you think attracts abundance to you. See, you have to be abundant in order to make money. But then again, you can make money and not be abundant. It's quite nuanced, right? So one of the codes, the cheat codes that I came across is that how I speak about money, how I speak about abundance directly affects me. What I put out there, I'm gonna get in return. Cause and effect, I think it's called. So basically, if you are someone who's always talking about how you never have enough money, how you never have enough income, how you never have enough inflow, how you never have enough opportunities, how you never have enough of anything, you are stuck in scarcity mentality. And the crazy thing about scarcity mentality is that you can have $1 million in your account and still feel like you don't have enough. Yes, you can have thousands of nairas and billions of dollars in your account and still feel like you don't have enough because of how you see the world, how you perceive the world. So it's not always about how much money you have in your account. It's how you think abundantly. Because I was in a stage of life where my bank account did not look like what I needed it to look like at the time. But I did not let that stall me. I made sure that when I spoke upon myself and my money, it was positive. It could never be, I can't afford that. It's usually, how can I afford that at this particular time? What work can I put in? What discipline can I put myself on? What routines can I adjust in order to afford this? And it wasn't an easy exercise, trust me. It's not something that you wake up one day and all of a sudden you have an abundant mindset. No, it takes exercising that muscle. It takes exercising that abundant muscle. How do you exercise your abundant muscle? By speaking life into yourself, by speaking life into your money, by speaking life into your job, by speaking life into your career. If the world is already telling you you can't do something and be something, and you keep telling yourself the same thing, no one's gonna save you, boo. You have to save yourself. So the things you feed your mind, the things you feed your space inside your head is more important than what the world is feeding you. The Bible even says it. He that is in me is way greater than he that is in the world. The voices inside of you are way stronger than the voices outside of the world. They can influence how you think, but if the voices inside your head is louder than what the world is telling you, you will win. You will win. So scrap all that. There isn't enough opportunities. There isn't enough jobs. There isn't enough this and that. And focus on the good. Practice positivity. Practice your affirmations. Speak life into yourself. Speak life into everything that you are doing. And here's a challenge. Speak positively about your situations in this new week and see what happens. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Bye.